So the Freezer Challenge is an international competition to promote best cold storage and freezer practices in laboratories. And the challenge is aimed at promoting efficiency and protecting the life of vital research samples and equipment.
These are the maintenance logs that we give out to our researchers, and they have all the maintenance tasks that researchers have to do to take care of their freezers. So it has scraping off ice, checking the door gaskets, and cleaning the filters and coils. So researchers can check off when they do these tasks, and it's a good reminder to stay on top of maintenance.
These units are massive energy consumers. So many of them use the same amount of energy as an American household in a single day. And so if you think about the fact that we have well over probably 1,200 or more on campus, they are a massive piece of UGA's energy footprint. Not only will it improve the safety of their samples, and it'll prolong the life of their equipment, but we teach researchers how to take care of these units, do preventative maintenance, which makes them more efficient. And then the winning UGA lab, who takes the most action, will win a high efficiency ultra low freezer, which is usually a value of around $16,000 or $17,000.